Every year, millions of cars reach the end of their lives. But this is not where the story ends. This is where transformation begins. Before any machine begins dismantling, every vehicle is analyzed. Advanced scanners identify materials. Before dismantling begins, all fluids are safely removed. Automated systems extract fuel. Energy storage systems are removed with extreme care. Automated extraction isolates batteries safely, preventing hazards. Once neutralized, the car is dismantled piece by piece. Large components are separated first. The heart of the vehicle is removed next. Engines and transmissions are extracted intact, allowing valuable metals tritories. Tires and wheels are separated early in the process. Rubber and metal follow different recycling paths. Automated systems remove glass safely and efficiently. Different glass types are separated. Inside the cabin, plastics and electronics are carefully removed. These materials follow specialized recyclings. Once all reusable components are removed, the remaining metal body is prepared for its final transformation. Compressed, the final stage begins here. Powerful shredders break the vehicle's steel body into fragments, unlocking the raw materials. Once shredded, the vehicle becomes a moving stream of raw material. From here, advanced separation pulls steel from the stream instantly. This step recovers the largest share of recyclable metal, formal. Next, eddy current technology separates non-ferrous metals. Aluminum and copper are repelled precision. Air classification separates light materials from heavy metals. Controlled airflow ensures each material follows X. Advanced optical systems identify plastic types in milliseconds. Precision air jets sort each per dis. Electrical wiring is processed to recover copper. Granulation systems separate metal from adhesion. Recovered aluminum is cleaned and refined before reuse. Removing contaminants ensures high-quality metal ready for sminches. Steel fragments are cleaned and graded by size. This step ensures uniform material quality. Once sorted and cleaned, metals are compressed into high-density bales. This form allows efficient storage. After processing, recycled metals are prepared for transport. These bales travel directly to steel and electrical furnaces. Inside powerful furnaces, recycled metal is reborn. Extreme heat transforms clortfacture. From molten flow to solid form, recycled metal is cast into new shapes. What was once this? After casting, the metal is shaped and strengthened. Rolling mills transform solid slabs. Recycled metal re-enters the supply chain as new products. From beams and sheets to coils and components. Through global distribution networks, recycled metals return to the world, supporting construction and infrastructure. By recycling metals instead of mining new ore, these facilities significantly reduce emissions. Vehicle recycling continues to evolve. Smarter automation and cleaner processes are shaping the future of days. What was once discarded returns as something new. Recycled metal supports buildings, machines, and crushers. From end-of-life vehicles to essential materials, this is how recycling closes the loop.
Behind every automated process is a layer of data. Smart monitoring systems track materials in real time. Predictive maintenance keeps the system running. Automated inspections identify wear early, allowing mistake to react worst. Energy use is carefully managed. Smart systems balance power demand across the facilities. At full capacity, the system processes thousands every hour. Scale and coordination turn to risk. Automation also protects people. Advanced safety systems maintain controlled work zones, elastable address. Every material is tracked from start to finish. Digital traceability ensures accountability. This is the circular economy at work. Materials recover old vehicles return as the foundation for new ones. By reusing existing materials, recycling reduces the need for new extraction. The result is lower energy recapitulations. For industries around the world, reliability matters. Automated recycling.
Automation never sleeps. These systems operate around the clock, maintaining steady output without fatigue. Smart logistics keep materials moving without delays. Automated routing prevents bottlenecks, ensuring continuous. Before leaving the facility, every batch is inspected automatically. Quality assurance systems confirm that features Smart inventory systems organize materials automatically. Each load is planned for purposes. Before leaving the facility, each shipment is secured and verified. Automated sealing and checks ensure seals. From road to rail to sea, automated handoffs keep materials moving. Multimodal logistics ensure it. At major ports, automation continues the journey. Containers are loaded with accuracy and speed. Once at sea, materials are tracked continuously. Automated monitoring ensures safe transit as recycling oceans. After crossing oceans, shipments arrive at their destination ports. Automation ensures fast unloads. Before entering local markets, shipments pass through automated customs checks. Advanced scanners verify. Once cleared, materials enter inland distribution networks. Autonomous transport systems move shipments efficiently. A centralized control system coordinates every movement. Artificial intelligence balances speed. At regional hubs, automation takes over once again. Shipments are unloaded, sorted, and redirected. Materials are sorted automatically for their next purpose. Intelligent systems identify composition. Purification systems refine the material further. Multiple automated stages remove impurities. Once purified, materials are reshaped for industrial use. Automated forming systems ensure the kids are supernaturals. After forming, controlled cooling locks in structural stability. Automated system manage temperatures. Dimensional accuracy is verified automatically. Laser inspection systems ensure every piece meets all crafts. Before reuse, each piece receives a final surface finish. Automated polishing and inspections. Before storage or delivery, materials are carefully protected, ensures durability, cleanliness. Automated storage systems organize inventory with precision. Every pallet is mapped digitally, allowing ease needed. When materials are needed, retrieval happens on demand. Smart scheduling systems select. At the final stage, dispatch is carefully coordinated. Automated systems align timing, loads, and replenishment. Recycled materials don't stop at storage. They move directly into manufacturing, becoming the in manufacturing, recycled materials are transformed with precision. Advanced machines shape each component. Before assembly, every component is verified. Automated inspection systems confirm dimensional accuracy and repeaters. Once verified, components come together on synchronized assembly lines. Automation ensures corrects. Before deployment, every assembly is tested. Automated verification confirms strength, leverage stirrets. Once testing is complete, products receive final approval. Automated release systems. Before shipment, each product is protected and serialized. Automated packaging preserves quality, while transporters. Automated palletizing ensures every shipment is stable and secure. Precise stacking reduces movements. Before transport, loads are fully protected. Automated wrapping secures each pallet, shielding progress. Before leaving the facility, every shipment is scanned and verified. Automated dispatch confirmations. Once dispatched, autonomous vehicles select. Smart navigation systems reduce delays. At regional hubs, delivery and handoff happen without pause. Automation keeps materials moving seaming. Here, logistics and production become one system. Materials enter a continuous loop, eliminating delays and stashes. At peak efficiency, every system works as one. Automation synchronizes